Hi, my name is Brandon. Today we're going to learn how to yo-yo part 2. Let's go. Today we're going to learn how to do around the world. Let me do a demonstration. I am using the Arrow yo-yo. It's a responsive yo-yo. So we're going to learn that in. And when we push it out, instead of just grabbing it immediately, we're just going to do a little circle with our hand, not the entire arm like that. We're going to do like a little circle, so it's not going to go too high or too low, just because you don't want to hit anything. It might take a bit of practice, but after a while, you should get it. So we will need a bit of room to throw the yo-yo and go around. And if you looked at what I did a tiny circle. I didn't do a big circle. So you're not going to want to do a huge circle. You're going to want to do like a little circle with just your elbow and your wrist, really. You're not going to want to use your shoulder. So that's the end of lesson 2. Thanks for watching.